Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do some unboxing videos for Black Friday's Record Store Day. I'm going to start with the title that I think is going to actually be one of the hottest jazz titles. This is the Chet Baker Sings in mono. They only did 1,500 of these. This is mastered by Kevin Gray. 100% analog at Coherent Audio. Nice tip-on jacket. This is mono. There's a new stereo box coming out that's going to be stereo. Hence the reason it's a stereo box. But, you know, feels pretty solid, really has some nice heft to it. Nice thick cardboard cover. Nothing included. Nice Riverside label. Mine even comes with a nice chunk of paper embedded into the vinyl there. Take a look at there. Very disappointing, but that is not coming off. And actually, we've got that in a few spots. There, and there, and let's see side two. Side 2 is nice and clean, but that's pretty disappointing. That side 1 has some nice embedded vinyl on it, but pretty basic. I'm guessing the sound is pretty killer. It was pressed at RTI. You know, normally I don't have a problem with RTI. All the Tone Poets are done there. Mobile Fidelity's done there. Music Matters jazz titles were done there. I'm guessing that was just kind of an error on their part, but that side 1 doesn't look good. Not only are there some marks, there's some scuffing, and it looks like there's a little scratch right there. So, unfortunately, not the best way to start, but there it is. Chet Baker Sings, Record Store Day, Black Friday 2019.